You don't know, sir, Ziggie Bless, yeah. And right now, we are at the Rum Fest 2019, yeah, right in New York, yeah, man.
Rum is a really super complicated category where you have like a white rum from Cuba and a dark rum from Jamaica. They don't look the same, they don't taste the same, they don't play the same in a drink, but they're still rum.
Is the oldest rum distillery, so we did our little 1703 namesake. Black barrel we use a lot in the cocktails. Unfortunately, we're just about done with this punch. I'll give you a little sample of it. It's delicious, but we use that a lot in our cocktails. Each of these are going to be a column still and then double pot still with a little bourbon, Tennessee whiskey barrels, aged anywhere from 2 years and up to 30 years.
Hi, my name is Stilo Pimentel. I'm the North American brand ambassador for a blended rum called Banks Rums.
All right, Banks Rum. All right, get a little deeper. Tell us about Banks Rum. What type of rum you carry and all the good stuff.
So Banks Rums is a collection of rums from multiple origins. Our origins have been inspired by the trade routes of the East India Company that's been trading since the year 1600s. So we take all these origins and we blend it in Amsterdam, where they've been blending, storing, and trading rums for over 300 years. So our origins are Trinidad, Barbados, Jamaica, Guyana, Indonesia, Panama, and Guatemala. It's a 7-origin blend, beautiful blended rum. We're very proud of the rums that we pull from Jamaica. Jamaica is very special. As soon as you step on the soil, you don't need anyone to tell you why the rums are so special from Jamaica. It's in the air, it's in the soil, it's in the people. I visited Jamaica for the first time 4 months ago, and I got to visit Hampden Distillery, Worthy Park, Clarendon, Long Pond. I got to visit all these beautiful distilleries that really made me realize what rum was about. Jamaica is it's a motherland. It's a motherland.
Greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen, all of you at CEEN. My name is Cocktail Colin, or as they know me on Instagram, Get Involved Bruv. We're here at Rum Fest, and oh my goodness, there's some amazing spirits. We've really captured the rum essence here at this festival. We're here at Cane Cafe with Bacardi rums, and of course, Santa Teresa, La Blonde, and you also have Banks Rum. We also have a couple of little nuggets of some really cool little rums here that you may not have heard of, like the Bacardi Diaz or the Quattro.
Tell me about some of the rum you have here today.
All right, today I have Bacardi, all the Puerto Rican brands, Bacardi, Don Q, Barrilito, Trigo, all aged rum, only for sip, for drink on the rocks or straight.
And they're all from Puerto Rico?
All of them from Puerto Rico, because we are from Puerto Rico. We are a government program that promotes all the rums that are made in the island to the United States. So we are not Bacardi or Don Q or Barrilito. We are all of them. We are all of them.
So what do you think is the most sipped rum, man, the best rum, man, in Puerto Rico, everybody loves?
All right, well, the best rum for me is the one that I have in my glass in a moment. Because I drink all of them. But also, we do Bacardi. The Bacardi is the best seller rum in the world. I got Don Q. Don Q is the best seller rum in the island, in Puerto Rico. And then I got Barrilito. Barrilito, I think, is the favorite of all the bartenders. So I got the best of all of everything.
We've always been drinking rum for hundreds and hundreds of years, but now when you come to a festival like this and you get to see all the nice little brands coming from all the different places in the world, to get that kind of exposure, to get that kind of visibility, very important. And now people are really, I think now, beginning to try and discover real rum, authentic rum, heritage rum, the way it's supposed to be.
here with Francois from Pastis, which just opened in the meatpacking district, and you should all go there and try out his rum and rum agricole drinks, because he's French, but he's from the Caribbean, and he's a cool guy.
Hey, first time presenting Corona for me. I'm Henrik Vasil, and we have the Swedish Punch, which is a traditional rum liqueur from Guyana, Jamaica, and Java from Sweden.
Scarlet Ibis from Trinidad, the original rum, Batavia Arak from Java in the East Indies, and cool rum liqueurs like St. Elizabeth Allspice Dram and Taylor's Velvet Falernum, true Falernum from the island of Barbados. Drop by and see us.
Well, I think kind of the most important thing for the Jamaican audience, which I hope is who we're talking to right now, is this stuff down here. So this is from one of your oldest operating distilleries on the island, Hampden, located on the line between Trelawney and St. Catherine. They've been making rum in Jamaica since 1753.
Long time.
This is the first time they've had their own brand. So the business of rum, especially Jamaican rum, is a business where you sell to colonial blenders, right? So you're selling rum to Germany, you're selling rum to Holland, you're selling rum to England, and people are creating their own blends with the products you make. This is one of the first times Jamaican companies are starting to take agency and put their own products out in the world. You've seen it with Appleton forever, you've seen it with Ray and Nephew forever, you're seeing it with Worthy Park next door to me, right? And now you're seeing it with Hampden. These are really beautiful rums aged for 7 years in ex-bourbon casks, all in Jamaica. This is bottled at 60% alcohol.
60. All right. So this right here won't get me drunk, right? It's not enough. Just this in the cup.
I mean, I don't know who you are.
All right, let's see. Let's find out. Right here. Woo! Damn. Woo! Lovely, lovely. I'm feeling it, man.
Here, you got to taste this one too. So this is also Hampden, but a single mark from the Hampden distillery.
All right.
Woo! Also high proof.
I have to hype myself up for this one.
Woo! You're gonna need a break.
Nice. All right. Nice. This one have a after effect. Come chat with me.